Hey everybody, Eric here.
My name is Joplin. We're going to talk to you about the big three, which are your domain, your email, and your website.
Yeah, so really it all starts with the domain's the foundation, because it's going to be in your email address, it's going to be the URL for your website.
Part of your social media.
Yes, part of your social media handle once you get there. Yeah. So with the domain name, you want to keep it short, and we like to say the radio test at GoDaddy. If you heard it on the radio when you're driving home, would you remember it when it's time to go search for it?
Right, and you have to make sure you get it very quickly. A lot of people have a lot of ideas and they're buying domains every day. Make sure you get yours right away. All right, so now that you got this domain name, you'll want to get the email address. Reason being is I'm not going to put poppyjoppy1717 at whatever.com on my business cards.
No, you don't want to do that. A big part of this is branding. Once you get the domain name, you're going to be sending a lot of emails, so you're going to want to pick a good domain name, and that email is really what starts to push it quickly for you. All right, so now the email and the domain are up and running. We need the website up and running. This is your window to the world. This is what everyone's going to see when they look you up. So it needs to be attractive and it needs to be mobile friendly. And then from there, you can get into more specifics for what your business needs.
Right, so as far as the features go, this is the first time you're standing up this website. This is the first time that it's on its legs. Get the minimum stuff that you need and then add on the bells and whistles later.
Are you going to need payment processing? Are you going to need people to set appointments on there,
right,
stuff like that?
Right, and as you consider these features, can you do it yourself, or are you going to hire a pro to do those things for you?
Yeah, it's going to be an ongoing cost, so try to plan for the future as best you can.
Consider your initial costs versus your maintenance costs. So after you get that website up and running, after you get your domain name, it's just going to be maintenance. It's just going to be chilling after that.
It's a lot like real estate, actually.
Right.
Like there's that down payment to first get into it. It's a little bit higher. And then from there, you're renting. It's like ongoing maintenance costs.
Right, and be realistic. It's, do some research. It's not going to be too high. It's not going to be too low. It's going to be somewhere in the middle.
Plan for the future. It's going to be around for a long time.
I'm Joplin.
I'm Eric. Thanks for stopping by.